Hi guys, in today's video we'll be taking a look at the progress bar control. This control allows you to show the status of a task to your app users. So let's jump into Visual Studio and take a look. Before we begin, I just want to remind you that I'm doing a new C# video every day. So if you don't want to miss those, be sure to subscribe. So the first thing we need to do is create a new project. We're going to use a Windows Forms app .NET Framework C# template. We'll click Next and we'll call this one Progress Bar. And we'll click Create. And we will drag out a progress bar. And we can resize it. You can see you can actually make them they're quite flexible in the way that you can resize them. They can be very tall if you wanted them to be tall for some reason. Now that we've got our progress bar, we'll have a look at some of the properties in here. So the main one with the progress bar is called value. You can pass a number in there, and the number you pass in there will dictate how full the progress bar is. So if we just type in 10, you can see it animates up to 10. We can type in 50. That'd be 50%, or we could fill it up and set it to 100%. And if we go ahead and run that, just have a look at what that looks like. You see, so it always animates to the value that it's set to. So it'll start at 0 no matter what you set it to, and then it'll jump to the value that you specify in the properties. So let's look at how we can increase that using the code behind. So we'll just dump a button on here, make this a bit larger, populate the button, and actually we'll just go back in here and we'll set this to 0, and we'll jump into our button and we'll say every time the user clicks the button, progress bar 1 dot value equals progress bar 1 dot value plus 5. So every time the button gets clicked, we'll just add 5 on to the progress bar value. And if we press start, you can see here, as we click the button, we're able to trigger the update in the UI there. So these are really useful if you have something happening in the background. Maybe you're looping over an array, and every time you finish one loop of the array, you could then update this by a certain percentage, and that would just let the user know that something is happening in the background and we are making progress, and they can kind of guess themselves as to how long it might take based on how quickly it's going up. So very quick, very easy, and that's how you use progress bars. Hi, I hope you found that video useful. If you have any comments or feedback, then please leave me a comment below. I'm currently doing new videos every single day, so if you'd like to be notified about those, then hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.